Next turn na. Basta mag-defend ka lang. Wait lang, bago ako mag-defend, ipapakita ko muna kung paano gagawin. First is what you do. Pinaka-basic, chop dribbling. Just like this. Try mo kunin. See? Look at that. No defender. now, look at this. The second dribbling I use the most is lift dribbling, which is this. Wait. Lift it in the air, then do this. Oh Then keep doing. Just lift it. Then timing. Then you want to add it with a flick. See, look at that. No defend. Then now the third but not the least is this. The flick dribbling. You wanna flick it's a slant. Oh wait, you can also use the ASD keybinds like this. Then you can do it pair with this. Oh shit. Then look at this example of clip. A noob defender defending me. Okay. Defend. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit. wait. So many balls. 3, 2, 1, go. Then you wanna flick it like this, and then you can also do this, dribbling to the goalie, and he took it like a good boy. And bonus clip. Oh.